Hey everyone, so Africa's Best reached out and they wanted to send me some products. They have a new line, it's called Coconut Cream Collection, and it's infused with flaxseed, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, argan oil, and aloe. And coconut milk. I forgot that one at the beginning. Now this is the package that they sent me right here. They sent me a relaxer, a shampoo, leave-in conditioner, a restorative dry oil, and a restorative conditioner. So today I'm going to use these products. In about a week or two I'll use the relaxer, but right now I just need to do a simple wash day. So I'm going to do one at a time and try to give you like a little summary that it says on the packaging and everything, because this is a first impressions. I just literally took this out the box and I'm about to get ready to use it one at a time. I'm going to shampoo my hair, then I'm going to do a little deep condition, then I'm going to put some of the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to put the regenerative dry oil on top of that, and then I'll blow dry. And I'll just probably put my hair in a protective style, like a bun or something like that. But I'm interested in to see how these products actually make my hair feel and how they smell and the texture and those things. Okay, so first I'm going to be using the Coconut Cream Sulfate-Free Moisturizing Shampoo. It says thoroughly yet gently cleanses hair and scalp. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the ingredients list if you'd like to pause the video right here. And then this description right here, it says, indulge your hair in ultimate hydration. From the moment you work Originals by Africa's Best Coconut Cream Moisturizing Shampoo into your hair, you'll instantly notice your tresses feeling softer and smoother as you bathe your hair with this rich moisturizing cleanser. No drying detergents here. This sulfate-free shampoo won't rob your hair of its natural oils. This 100% coconut milk therapy fortified with aloe will leave your hair clean and free of impurities while feeling touchably softer, for use on all hair types and textures. So sorry for me kind of moving the camera around a bit. I'm holding it. But I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair with this. I like how it looks creamy. Usually when a shampoo looks really creamy like that versus clear, it looks kind of like a pearly. Usually that's a good indicator of that it's very moisturizing. So I'm going to go ahead and start now. So I just got done using the shampoo, and I'm just going to tell you guys how my hair feels right now. Drop my towel. This line definitely smells like coconut, so if you do not like the coconut smell, this is not the line for you. But if you do like coconut, I mean, I personally love the smell of coconut, but everybody doesn't. But it does, it smells exactly like coconuts. Like, that's exactly what it smells like. And I think it smells good, but everybody doesn't like that smell. Now, my hair right now, it feels clean and it feels soft. Oh, smacked myself in the face. It feels clean and soft. I don't feel like it's stripped or dry or anything. And my hair was really dirty when before I washed it just now, and I don't feel like I need to wash it twice. Like sometimes you feel like you need to wash your hair twice with shampoo. I feel like one time did it. So now I'm going to go ahead and move on to the conditioner step. Next up is the Coconut Cream Restorative Conditioner. It says it restores vibrancy to dry, brittle hair and helps repair damage and breakage. Okay, I went ahead and set it on a tripod so I wouldn't be shaking the whole time. But we're going to do a quick little thing on the back where it says directions. It says, on clean, damp hair, apply a generous amount all over hair, making sure hair is coated from root to tips. As an intensive repair treatment, cover hair with a plastic cap and sit under a warm hooded dryer for 10 minutes. Remove cap and rinse all traces of mask from hair. As a regular rinse out conditioning treatment, leave on hair for 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Towel, blot hair, and style as usual. For optimal results, first shampoo with their shampoo and then follow with the leave-in conditioner. Okay, so those were the directions. Okay, your hair salvation from damage, breakage, shedding, over processing from color or chemical straighteners, unhealthy ends, and chronic dryness is here. Oh my gosh, that's me, all of the above. The nourishing blend of carrier oils found in this creamy, nutrient-rich formula are widely known to stop breakage and repair damaged hair. This restorative treatment helps to establish a healthy moisture balance and will leave your hair looking and feeling stronger, more vibrant, soft to the touch, and easier to manage. Excellent repair therapy for all hair types and textures. I'm gonna get all up in here so you guys can pause the video and see what you can see. All the goodies or the things that you do or do not like about hair ingredients. All right, there. I really like that it has shea butter and argan oil. My hair loves those two ingredients. I'm gonna open it and show you what it looks like. I think I showed y'all the shampoo on camera, but it's really creamy. I showed you guys already. It's really pearly and creamy. This is what the conditioner looks like. It's movable, as you can see. It's kind of slowly moving around here. Let me smell it really quickly. Yep, smells just like the shampoo. It smells coconutty. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my hair, show you what it looks like applied on my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and put the plastic cap on my hair and leave it on for probably about maybe 20 minutes or so. I'm going to eat dinner, and then after that I'll rinse it out. So if you can tell, I'm extremely heavy-handed when it comes to conditioner. It's almost like I use darn near half the thing. I'd say about 1/3 to half of it I used on my hair. And I'm going to show you how it looks. How my hair is looking right now with the product applied. I'm going to put my plastic cap on. I'm going to have dinner. Then I'm going to rinse it out. I'm very heavy-handed. So yeah, I got like a lot of product on there. And I'll show you what it looks like before I rinse it out. And then I'll tell you how it feels after I've rinsed it out. Okay, so I'm done eating dinner, and I actually ended up letting it sit on my hair for 30 minutes. So I'm going to take the cap off and let you see what it looks like now. Earring flipping around. I am due for a relaxer, but I'm trying to stretch it out about 2 more weeks. It feels like it has a good amount of slip, like me just touching the product, and has really good slip to it. I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out, and then I'll tell you how my hair feels after I've rinsed it out. Okay, so I've washed the conditioner out, and now let's see how my hair feels. Throw this towel over here. It feels soft and clean. And it smells like coconut. It smells like coconut. I'm going to go ahead and show you the next 2 products and use those on camera. And then I'm going to blow dry my hair, put it up in a protective style. Then I'll let you know my final thoughts. Okay, so the next product up is the Coconut Cream Leave-In Conditioner. It says Instant Moisture Recovery Treatment for Dry, Brittle Hair. Okay, I'm going to read the little summary right here really quickly. It says, your hair will fall in love with this hydration sensation. Coconut milk, avocado, grapeseed, and argan oils deliver key nutrients and long-lasting moisture to thirsty strands. This leave-in moisture balancing blend helps prep hair for the next step in your styling regimen. Reduce the occurrence of untamed flyaways and treat yourself to noticeably smoother, softer, supple feeling hair. An excellent remedy for keeping protective styles well hydrated. This leave-in therapy works for all hair types, textures, and styles. Okay, that's great because I'm going to put my hair in a protective hairstyle. So hopefully this will help the moisture to last for at least a week. That's how often I like to wear my protective styles, for a week. Here is the ingredients list if you'd like to pause it and check it out and see what's all in there. I see shea butter again and argan oil. So those are two that my hair really does like. I'm gonna read this the directions, and then I'm gonna move on to the next one. It says, on clean, damp hair, pour a quarter-size amount of this leave-in into your hand, rub palms together, then distribute throughout hair from root to tips. If hair is longer or thicker, apply more as needed, concentrating more on exceptionally dry areas and ends. Gently comb through with a wide tooth comb. To optimize your hair regimen, trim your ends every 6 to 8 weeks. And keep hair clean with their other products, with their shampoo and conditioner. So that is that one. And then this one right here. So I'm going to apply that leave-in, then I'm going to apply this on top of it. This is the Coconut Shine Regenerative Dry Oil. It says lightweight, thermal protection, and flawless shine. Whoops. Tearing stuff up. Okay, the description right here. Oh, let me show you what the consistency of this is really quickly. It has a seal in it. I'm gonna just put a little bit on here for right now. So this is the leave-in conditioner. It's very thin and lotion-like. It has a consistency kind of like of lotion. So that's what that is. I'm gonna put the top back on that one. Set it over here, and then, like I say, lastly, I'm gonna use this right here. The description says, it says, enjoy the benefits of this triple action dry oil finishing mist. Enriched with vitamin E and jojoba oil, our Coconut Shine Regenerative Dry Oil delivers a flawless, reflective sheen while providing heat protection against flat irons, curling irons, pressing combs, and blow dryers. This super lightweight, non-greasy formula can be used daily as a before or after step within your styling regimen and leaves hair feeling silky soft. So you could probably also use this as an oil sheen. Like you can use it as a heat protector, oil sheen detangler to seal in your moisture, like as an oil sealant. Here are the ingredients if you would like to pause it. That first ingredient right there, I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, cyclopentexylene, I don't know. But anytime that a product has that in there, like my hair detangles so effortlessly. My hair loves that ingredient, that first ingredient in here. So that's the ingredient list. And then the directions right here, it says to use it as a heat protectant, spray a small amount all over hair, then gently comb through hair before using a blow dryer, flat iron, curling iron, or pressing comb. And if you want to use it as a finishing step, it says spray a small amount all over hair to seal in a glass-like finish. Can be used on wet or dry hair. Only use a flat iron, curling iron, or pressing comb on hair that is completely dry. So I'm going to move to the bathroom so that we can use these two products. And I'm going to blow dry my hair, and then I will be back. Okay, so it's very liquidy like an oil would be. I do not like the sprayer on this. It comes out in a stream, and I thought it was going to come out in a mist, and it does not come out in a mist. It comes out in a stream. So I had to just apply it to my hands, rub it together, and then, you know, disperse it throughout my scalp. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry now, and I'll be back. I'm like super big and crazy and voluminous right now. And that's because I need a relaxer. Whenever I need a relaxer, I'm at that point my hair just goes whoosh, like that. Excuse my 2-year-old in the background. But one thing that I can say is I wish I would have applied the leave-in and that heat protector spray. I wish I would have applied that in sections, maybe like 4 sections, instead of just all over my hair, because I don't feel like I got it all in my hair good, and I felt like I still had to work on detangling like extra, because I just kind of put it all over. But if I would have took it section by section, I feel like it would have worked better that way. Another thing that I can say is that my hair does feel soft. Like after all that I've done, I feel like my hair is soft. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it up now in a protective style. And see how that lasts throughout the week. Okay, so this is day 2 after I did my hair. I just went ahead and put it in a little bun like that, and I gelled it up and everything. My hair is still feeling soft right now. It doesn't feel dry, and it's still holding up pretty well. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.